If you are in the travel industry or sector in Kenya, you are a professional or a business owner in the travel industry in Kenya, you should actually consider ways on how you can be able to start and build an income generating online business in Kenya. There are very many ways on how you can be able to tap into the opportunities, business and professional, that actually are brought by leveraging the power of the internet and actually the global market that it brings. As a travel business owner, as a travel professional, or even just as an individual who enjoys traveling, you can be able to monetize your travel knowledge, your travel skills, your travel experience, even if it is just a hobby or it is something you're passionate about. And you can even monetize your travel experiences by starting and building an income generating online business in Kenya. There are quite a number of business models that you can be able to use to actually turn this into reality. You can be able to turn your travel ideas into an online business by either starting a travel blog, a travel YouTube channel. You can actually get involved in affiliate marketing within the travel sector. You can actually start a coaching or a consulting online business based on your experience, skills, and expertise in the travel sector. Or you can even create your own travel digital products. And this is something that is already happening. You can find it with other travel entrepreneurs, especially when it comes to building an online-based travel business in Kenya. If you own and manage a travel business, let's say a travel agency, or you organize traveling trips and those kind of things, it's possible that you already use internet today, and probably you are actually using it to attract business. You can actually use the same internet to increase your business, to generate more leads, by actually setting up an income generating online business based on that travel experience. That means that in your business model or how you structure your business, you can have an online aspect of your business which can actually end up increasing your income, sales, as well as business leads. In the long term, that would have an impact on your bottom line. Now, the beauty about starting an online business in Kenya, especially in the travel industry, is that it is not expensive to do it. You do not need a lot of capital to actually start an income generating travel online business in Kenya. All you need probably is your phone, internet connection, and a laptop. And you can be able to build something that over the next couple of years will be actually generating you extra income and also provide you with financial, location, and time freedom. Things that if you are in the traveling sector and you enjoy traveling, you actually would cherish having those a lot, because you would want to be able to do your work and make money from anywhere in the world or from anywhere in the country, which would allow you to continue traveling, to continue enjoying and creating experiences as you travel, but at the same time have the opportunity to continue making money from wherever you are. To succeed with creating a travel online business in Kenya, you will need to have clarity on what it is that you want to do, on the problem that you want to solve, or how you want to create value, and be specific on who it is that you're helping. That means you have to be clear on your target market. Once you have those in place, then you need to also be very clear on your monetization strategy. How are you going to make money with your travel online business in Kenya? Having those in place will give you a very good foundation to building a successful and profitable online business in Kenya. Now, there are a number of business models that actually you can use that can help you make money with your travel experience, with monetizing your travel knowledge or skills. And this would include, for example, starting a travel blog, starting a travel YouTube channel. You can get involved into affiliate marketing. You can actually also be able to build your own travel digital products. At the same time, you can actually build a coaching or consulting travel online business based on the already things that you're already doing. And that can actually grow into a lucrative and profitable online business in Kenya. There are 3 benefits that you're going to get when and if you start an online business in Kenya. And over the long term, you are going to get financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. These three things are actually very important, and I am sure you would want to have the three of them. You'd want to have enough money to be able not to be worried about things that you need to take care of. You'd be happy to actually have the time freedom to not be tied to a certain schedule, or if you're working a 9 to 5, to have the flexibility to be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it. And at the same time, you might be interested in having location freedom, because then you become less tied to being in a certain position or in a certain location, meaning you can be able to make money from wherever you want to live or stay. And for you to achieve those three things, there are things that you also need to look into when you are building an online business in Kenya. These are systems and phases that you might need to have, and you need to figure out a way to sequence them so that you can be able to build a profitable online business in Kenya. And these include building the audience, building trust with that audience, and then figuring out how you are going to monetize that online business. And when it comes to building audience, all you are doing is building or bringing together your target audience, the target market, or the ideal person that you would want to help. You are looking to build a community of people who would be interested in whatever it is that you're talking about or whatever it is that you're building. These are individuals that can be able to buy your services or products if you provide them. And that is the group that you are going to be helping. And it is very important for you to actually be very clear on the audience you are building. You need to really understand them, learn them, know their problems, and then be part of the solution to what they are going through. Whatever it is that you are doing needs to be something that is providing value to that target audience. And once you have been able to do that, and this is where, for example, maybe having a YouTube channel, having a podcast, a newsletter, having maybe a blog, this is where it comes in, because those are things that can help you build an audience. Once you have that audience, then you also need to have a mechanism to actually build trust with them. Because remember, we only buy things from people that we trust. You need to be a person that can be trusted by your audience, that whatever you are saying can actually help them, that you can demonstrate that whatever idea you have, whatever system you have, whatever solution you are suggesting can actually help improve their lives. And this you can do by creating content, and more importantly, figuring out a system that can help you continue engaging with them. And this is where email marketing comes into play. So you need to understand the various email marketing platforms like Aweber, Kit, MailChimp, and others. You need to think of which one works for you the best. The third component of this system is monetization, which I know is something that you really are interested in. You want to learn how you are going to make money with your online business in Kenya. And there are quite a number of ways on how you can be able to make money or generate an income from an online business. And you need to figure out the best business model, the one that works best for you. Because whichever model you choose will actually inform your business strategy and might actually inform your content strategy. So as you can see, building an online business in Kenya is actually real work. It is not an easy thing, but that does not mean that you cannot be able to do it. In fact, if you ask me, it is one of the best businesses that you can start, because the cost of starting an online business in Kenya are pretty low, yet the margins can be very high, especially if you incorporate some of the monetization strategies that I have discussed in other videos in this particular channel. So what I would want to suggest and probably recommend to you is to actually give this idea a chance. It is something you can do even as you continue to do other things that you are doing. You can be sparing some time either early in the morning to build your online business, or late after work in the evening, over the weekends. You can allocate time to be able to actually build it first as a side hustle before it becomes a full hustle. And if you are, let's say, jobless, you are not working at the moment, then you can actually dedicate your entire full time into building an online business. And my assumption is Let's say if you are jobless and are just staying at home, if you focus on building an online business for one straight year, 365 days, by the end of that 1 year, things will be a little bit different. You will have gotten to a level where probably you are already generating an income for yourself. That could be either by starting a blog or a YouTube channel and focusing on it full time for a whole full year. So I want to challenge you to actually try it. See what happens. Try it for 1 year and look at the results that you have gotten. If you ask me, I would actually recommend and suggest that you give this idea a chance. Take time, research, learn and understand how an online business works and how you can be able to start and build your own online business in Kenya into a profitable and money-making venture. And if you'd want to learn more on how you can be able to go about this, how you can be able to start your own online business in Kenya, watch the videos on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.